folks, thank you for joining me for the Harrison Repair Show. I'm Brian Harrison, actually just called Harrison Repairs. Um, and yeah, I just want to leave a friendly reminder. Don't please forget to comment, subscribe, and leave a like on the video. And if you're on Rumble, follow me there. I upload videos there too. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook. And links and descriptions are in the home pages of both YouTube and Rumble. I want to say that I hope you enjoy the show, whether we're repairing something, whether we're showing tools that you can buy, simple, maybe even simple tools to help you with a repair. But I hope you enjoy today's video. So please sit back and let's begin the show. Alright folks, I wanted to show you a thing you should add to your toolkit. We were doing a little bit of stuff on the repairs, but we also show sometimes a little bit of stuff you could add to your toolkit. Here's this Dries Clear wood glue, and that's what it is. It's wood glue. I think you should have if you have some wood projects or even just basic home with wood stuff you could repair. Have a little bit of this. You don't need a big one. I did see a big one, but I didn't pick it up. I just have this one. So there you go to look at it. This is Gorilla Glue. Gorilla makes a lot of cool, I think, a little cool products like this wood glue, and I should definitely love their other glue that they use, and I can't think of all the names of them, but you know, that they use for, like, you can use for model making or repairing plastic together and stuff like that. But here you go. Here's what it looks like. Here's, you know, the back of it if you're curious. Barcode, all that, but you know, you could tell it's just a small bottle of, you could get a bigger bottle, but I just found the small bottle. Don't need a big bottle if you're just doing basic home repairs, or maybe even other wood projects that require this glue, like some wood models or something like that. But I think that's it for now. Just wanted to show you this little video, make a little video, just say, hey, don't forget to think about adding this as a toolkit to your toolkit if has maybe something in an emergency when you have to fix a chair or something. Anyway, so that's it for now, and we'll leave a closing thought. I want to thank you for joining us for the Harrison Repair. I guess we call it Harrison Repair Show, but it's actually Harrison Repairs. I hope you enjoyed what we showed you today on video. And when we do these things, we, you know, take a camera and go and show you. We're not talking about it on a green screen all the time. So I want to thank you for whatever, if we showed you a repair or tool. Thank you so much, but please don't forget to comment, subscribe, and leave a like on our videos, and it helps us out a lot. And don't forget to follow us on Rumble and on Facebook. And yeah, I just want to thank you so much, and I hope you guys have a nice day. God bless, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.